Robots are now becoming what the industry calls cobots. They are collaborative robots. So if you think of a factory in the last 2 decades, the robot was in a place and the humans were in a completely separate place with a wall. We see that this is going to change in the next 5 years, that robots will be able to exist next to people in our living spaces, whether in our homes or our factories or offices, and know how to navigate safely around us. In the last 5 years, a little more even, a new breed of robots started coming, where all their joints are actually actuated independently and have sensors all around them. So if a human actually comes and touches the robot itself, it would stop, understanding that somebody is next to it. Robots of the future would be able to actually interact with us in a more intuitive manner, where you'd be able to hold the robots and tell it exactly what it needs to do and let it go without programming it. It would understand and program itself. So we're seeing a lot of interest in these robots to be able to walk with an engineer or walk with an office staff, carry things around. You place things on these collaborative robots and they'd be able to know where they needed to take these objects all by themselves. I think robots are now allowing us to expand what humans can do and amplify our capability, but in complex areas that we couldn't have imagined in the past.